Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a very quick review about this Palmpay website called Geo Targetly. So let's get started with the key important features and the pros and cons about this Palmpay website together with the pricing plan. So to get started, have you ever been on a website saying something just for people in your town? Geo Targetly help you do that on your website. It determines where your website visitors are based on their location using a technology called IP address or IP geolocation. Then you can show those visitors different things. Imagine showing special message or even pop-ups just to people nearby. This makes your website feel more special and useful, like it's just made for them. It's all about personalization, making your website feel more connected to people. And here's the top benefit about this platform. This platform comes with a lot of different benefits. For example, it comes a tailored content together with a bot conversation, improve user experience together with a run multiple location campaign easily, and a personalized customer journey. And talking about the key features about this platform comes with the best features. So Geo Targetly has some really neat tools that help you connect with your website visitor. These features are like saving special powers to make your website smarter. So let's check them out. So one of these best features is change content based on geolocation. It also comes with another set of features, which is find location based image. It also comes with this, which is a geo redirecting and a fixed location segment together with a managed pop-up and all other important features like that. So talking about the pricing plan, we have different pricing plan. So I'm going to list out the plan names for each pricing. We have the Dave, which is a plan which is between $9 to $10 per month with the different and the varies of key features. It also comes with another plan is Startup, which comes between $19 to $25 per month. We have another plan called Growth. So it's also comes between $39 to $45 per month, and the business plan, which is around $79 to $85 per month. Then the enterprise comes between $79 to $85 per month. So if you want key information about the best features that is enlisted to each plan, just simply go back to the website, check the video. On the search bar you will see the website. Just check the website to see if you to check out the best plan that works best for you, and that's it.